Welcome to class 6 and week 2. And today we are going to learn about connecting workplace ideas. Okay? ብዛዕባ ሓሳባትና ምትእስሳርን ምጥርናፍን ምክንያታት መሃብን ክንሪና ሎም ማለት እዩ። ኦኬ? ቅድሚኡ ግን እስከ ናይ ዝሓለፈ ገለገለ ሕቶታት ክሓተካ What time do you wake up?
I get up at 7 a.m.
Okay. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at noon.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
Okay. Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment today?
No, I don't have today.
You don't have what?
I don't have appointment today.
I don't have appointment today. Okay. And what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Okay. Now, let's start today's class. Today, connecting workplace ideas ንሪኢና naturally ከምቶም English ተዛረብቲ ከመይ ጌርና ሓሳባትና ንጥርንፍ and ሓሳባትና connect ንገብሮም ክንሪኢና እስከ ምሳይ በላ connecting workplace ideas. Very good. በቮካብላሪ እስክንጀምር ኢና Number 1, time. Good. Time ማለት ጊዜ ማለት እዩ። Number 2, money. Very good. Money ከዓ ገንዘብ ማለት እዩ። Number 3, keys. Keys መፍትሕ ማለት እዩ። The next one, access ፍቃድ ማለት እዩ ወይ ምእታው ማለት እዩ። Okay? Next one, information. Very good. And next one, busy. Very good. Nice. እስከ ንድገመን time. Very good. Money. Okay. Keys.
Access.
Next one.
Information.
And next one.
Base.
Yes, say it again.
Base.
Say it again.
Voice.
Busy. بስራሕ ትሑስ ምዃን ማለት እዩ። ዝኾነ ነገር ትሑስ እንተዳ ኣለኻ busy. Then vocabulary ኢና ሓንቲ ከመለና ማዓንቲ. Okay. So now connectors ክንሪኢና connectors ሓሳባት ዝጥርንፉ. First, give reasons. ምክንያት ክትህብ ከለኻ እንታይ ትጥቀም? because ኩሉ ግዜ why ዝብል ሕቶ ዝምልስ እዩ ስለምንታይ. Okay? So if you say, for example, simple, I wake up at 7 a.m. ኢልካ ተነጊርካኒ why እንታይ እቲ ምክንያት? Because this. Because I go to work. Because I go to school. ስለዚ because ንምክንያት እያ ንጥቀመላ። እዚኣ ስትራክቸር ናታ ባያ መጀመርያ እንታይ መፅእ? action verb ማለት እዩ action። ንኣብነት I wake up because this. ስለዚ መጀመርያ action መፅእ ብድሕሪኡ because ምክንያቱ ንብል ከምዚ ክገብር ስለ ዝደሎ I wanted to ተማሂርና ነርናሽ
I wanted
to نتي سخات الجبرون تفتت بس مخنيات ناوتو غير كات نغرني خا مالتي example نرايا زيا اسكزي عم ببلي
I study
ايش تعاور
I study English because I want to get up better better job.
very good جي مخنيات نغيرات نالا I study English because I want to get a better job English مهار ኣለኹ ምክንያቱ ዝሓሸ ስራሕ ክረክብ ስለ ዝደለኹ okay ስለዚ ታ action አይነት ያ
I
study English زي ታ action كلها okay
study English I study
ምክንያቱ ከዓ زي زي خاطر ما يرنا نيرنا I want to مسبرنا verb is متينا نيرنا okay very good كاليتيس كم ببا
I wake up early because I wanted to arrive every day
هذا ينزين
every day
سكرت جمع
I wake up every because I wanted to arrive
every كونتن early one more time تجمع ولا early
I wake up early because I wanted to arrive early
very good تماتا قلطيفه يتس معناته قلطيفه خبصح سلازدلي arrive مصح معناته nice አንጌ يتس معناته አንጌ خبصح سلازدلي اجي ብዙሕ verbs ተማሂርና ኢና I want to ከመይርካ ትከመል ተማሂርና ኢና because ትራያ መንጎ ተኣስዋረላ ክልተ ሰንተንስ ናትካ ሕጂ ንገረኒ 3 seconds ከ ሓሲብካ
okay I wake up early
very good okay I wake up early
because I wanted to learn English
very good because I want to learn English very nice one give me another one
I sleep early
okay I sleep early
because I wanted to
I wanted to
I wanted to wake up early at morning
very good because I want to wake up early in the morning very nice ጽቡቅ ስለዚ ብከምዚ ጌርና ሓደ ነገር ከምዚ ይገብር ምክንያቱ ከምዚ ስለዝደለኹ ኢልካ ትገልጾ ከለኻ ማለት እዩ ሓተካ ሕጂ ካታ ሕቶይ ኣመልሲ ጥራይ ደይኮንካ ትነግረኒ because I want ኢልካ ከዓ ምክንያት ክትነግረኒ ኢኻ ኣረ okay so why do you learn English
because I wanted to more speak English
هيدا حجي تحبي فحيت بلا I wanted to مسبب كا verb هم تسأله
because I wanted to speak English
very good because I want to speak English very nice okay good so ናይ because ሪና ያለና ምክንያት ንክንገልጽ ኢና ንጥቀመላ contrast ተጻራሪ ሓሳብ ክንህብ ከለና ተጻራሪ ማለት ፍዕሾ ይፈትኔ እንግሊሽ መምሃር ግን ፈቴ ክልቴን ተጻራርቲ እንት ዝፈትወይ ዘይፈትወይ ክንህብ ከለና ወይ ድማ action result ውጤት ክነገር ከለና እንጥቀመለን ከዓ ክንሪኢና ማለት እዩ okay እስኪ contrast በል
contrast
one more time contrast very good contrast ማለት ተጻራሪ ሐሳብ ማለት እዩ okay contrast
contrast
good actions
actions
እስከበላ actions
actions
action calls ከምዚ ክንብሎ ፀናሕና I study English, I play football, I sleep, I eat breakfast ዝኩሉ actions እዩ
actions
okay መን ክንሪና but እስከበላ but ኣብቲ ስክሪን ትሪላ and so ትሪላ ምሻ ስክሪን
but okay yeah
okay but and so ዜን ከዓ ብኸመይ ንጥቀመለን ክንርኢ ኢና ንኣብነት ጎል ናትካ ትዛረብ እሞ ዕላማ ናትካ ማለት እዩ ግን ኢልካ ኸ ከምዚ ከዓ የብለይን ትብል እቲ ዕላማይ ከምዚ እዩ ግን ከዓ ከምዚ ከዓ የብለይን ንኣብነት ቢዝነስ ክኸፍት ደልየ ግን ገንዘብ የብለይን can you try ፈትና ደልየ ትፈልጣ ኢኻ ደልየ
I wanted to start business.
Very good. I want to start a business.
I wanted to start business.
Okay.
But I don't have money.
Very good. I want to start a business, but I don't have money.
Yeah.
Very good. Business, but I don't have money. Very nice. It's a book. እዚኣ but ብከምዚ መልክዕ ንጥቀመላ okay እታ ሶ ከዓ እንታይ ቢዝነስ ክጅምር ደልየ ገንዘብ የብለይን ስለዚ ገንዘብ ክልቃሕ ኣለኒ okay እታ ሶ ስለዚ ማለት እያ ውፅኢቱ ገንዘብ ስለዘይብለይ ቢዝነስ ከዓ ጅምር ደልየ ኣለኹ ሶ ገለ ክገብር ኣለኒ so I need to እስከመላ ኣላ ባዕላ
so I need to I need to
حسب قدام أنت
I need to
تعتقبر عليك
get money.
I need to get money. سكان ملكح borrow money. borrow. I need to borrow
money.
Very good. Nice. I want to start a business, but I don't have money, so I need to borrow money. Ready now?
Yeah.
شوتوخا وسو تتصاراري ውፅኢት ከዓ እንታይ ትገብር ኢኻ ከም ውፅኢቱ ማለት እዩ okay good እስኪ እዚ ኤግዛምፕል አንብባ
I wanted to got in
I want ቀስ ኢልካ አንብባ
I wanted to got
ቀስ ኢልካ each word ከየንበብካ ናብቲ ሓደ ትስካ
I wanted to log in but I don't have access.
Very good. ንኣብነት ኣብ ናትካ ፌስቡክ ኣካውንት ምሽ ሎጊን ትገብር እያ ካልእ ሰብ ግን ተመስገን ኢሉ ሽሙ ፅሒፉ በቲ ናትካ ፓስወርድ ስለ ዘይፈልጦ ክኣቱ ይክእልኒ ክኣቱ ደልዩ ግን ኣክሰስ ክገብራ ይክእልኒ
ክፈልጣ ይከኣለን
ተረዲና ኣብ ማዕፆ ወላ ንኣብነት ብኮድ ዕፆ ማዕፆ ንበሎ ሓደ ዘይፈልጦ መፂ ክፍትን ይኽእል እዩ he wants to log in but he cannot access it. Very good. ስለዚ እቲ ኣድሌት ሃላ በለትያ በይና ተፃራሪት ሓሳብ ካላ በለትያ ማለት እዩ ምሳኻ
አንፃራዊ
but very good. Okay so ኸኣርኣያ ኣብዚ
I am very busy so I need to prepare now.
I need to prepare now.
I need to prepare now.
Very good. busy ኣለኹ ሕጂ ክዳሎ ኣለኒ okay busy ስለ ዘለኹ ስለዚ ሕጂ ክዳሎ ኣለኒ maybe ካልእ ስራሕ ዝህልወካ እንድሕር ኮይኑ ብድሕሪ ማለት እዩ ሓላይ ከም ውፅኢቱ ማለት እያ ከም ውፅኢቱ so ስለዚ ማለት እያ
so ስለዚ
alright
okay
good ስለዚ ኣነ እንታይ ደልየ ኣለኹ ሃባኻ ሰንተንስ ክትሰርሓለይ ሓንቲ ብባት እስከ ሰንተንስ ስርሓለይ
I wanted to.
Mhm.
I wanted to
Very good.
read sentence,
Very good. I want to read sentence,
but
but
I don't know the words.
very good. But I don't know the words. Very good. Nice. Follow
So
the example. هلا بين أخسر حالي دري بالسوق أسر حالي هيجي.
so I
بين كال sentence.
I wanted to read fast.
Okay. I want to
So-
read fast. So
I study for words.
very good. I study words. Very nice. Wow, nice. Very good. So ከምዚ መልክዕ ጌርና ንጥቀመለን but and so ማለት እዩ. Okay. Good. ስለዚ እዚአን እንተን ሰለስተ ሓሳባትና ንጥርንፍ ኣለን. ቀዳመይቲ because ንምክንያት ኢና ንጥቀመላ እዚኣ ሓራይ ምክንያት ከምዚ ገይረ ወላ እውን ከምዚ ኣይገበርኩን ምክንያቱ ኢልካ ምክንያት ትገልፆ ማለት እዩ. The examples ከንብባ.
I save money because I wanted to they I wanted to day a laptop.
Okay. እስከ ደገማ አንተ ጊዜ.
I save money because I wanted to buy a laptop.
Very good. I save money because I want to buy a laptop. Laptop ገዘ ስለዘለዎ money save ገብራለሁ ማለት እዩ. ዓይነይቲ ኣቲ action
Buy.
وتبقى لها verb أسا تبقى لها تا action ዓይነይቲ تا action تا قداميتي تا بالحريت I want to buy تا reason reason معناتها okay. I save money ساعة action. Very good.
Save money.
يا ግን ድሌት ያምር ትጭበጥ ነገር አይኮነስ. I want to buy ሲ ድሌት
يدل
laptop ገዘ ደለ action ትገብሮ ደለ ግን እንታይ save money.
save money قدامنا.
Good. Okay. but ንዝኾነ መሰናኽል ኢና ንጥቀመላ. ግን ማለት ከ ህዝቢ ትግርኛ ግን ኣይትበል ምሽ ትብላ ግን ኣይትበል ምክንያቱ ተፃራሪ ሓሳብ ክመፅእ እዩ ብድሕሪኡ ማለት እዩ. ስለዚ ንዝኾነ ሽግር ኢና ንጥቀመላ but ማለት ከምዚ ደለ ግን okay. እስኪ አንብባ.
I wanted to work but I don't have the case.
Very good. I want to work but I don't have the keys. ክሰርሕ ደልየ ግን መፍትሒ የብለይ ናይቲ ስራሕ ናይቲ ገዛ ማለት እዩ. Very nice. እዚኣ ኸ ንኦብስታክል ንሽግራት ኢና ንጥቀመላ. ካልሰይቲ so ሪና ነርና so ንውፅኢት ሓረግ ከምዚ ከምዛ ዝበልካ ንቐዲምካ I want to read fast so ከም ውፅኢቱ ነቲ ድሌተይ ከም ውፅኢቱ እንታይ ገብር ኣለዎ ሕጂ I learn new words. Very good. እስኪ እዚኣ ኤግዛምፕል አንብባ.
I don't have information so I need to call.
Very good. I don't have information so I need to call. ሓበሬታ ስለዘይብለይ ክድውል ኣለኒ ሓበሬታ ንኽረክብ ማለት እዩ. ረዲና ስለምንታይ ድውል ኣሎ ሓበሬታ ስለዘይብለይ ከም ውፅኢቱ ማለት እዩ. ዜኔን ቀንዲ ናትና ሓሳባት ኮኔክት ንክንገብር ንጥቀመለን. Okay. Screen right colors?
Alright.
Okay. Good. Nice. ሕጂ ኣነ ክልተ ሰንተንስ ክበቀ ንስኻ ከዓ because እናገበርካ ኮኔክት ጌርካ ናይ ክትነግረኒ ኢኻ ማለት እዩ.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
The sentence ክነግረካ so ፎካስ ናትካ ናባይ ማለት እዩ ኦኬ I want to eat lunch I am very hungry እስከዚህን ኮኔክት ጌርካ ንገረኒ
I wanted to eat lunch. I am very hungry because
أبيها تأتو because أبتبو تأتي خانقرن أبيها تأتو
I wanted
because
to eat lunch because I'm very hungry. Because I am very hungry.
بس سريع حاجة نقرن هلا
I wanted to eat lunch because
I want to eat lunch
I want to eat lunch.
okay because
I want to because I want to eat lunch. I am
because إلها جمر
no. I wanted to eat lunch because I'm very hungry.
very good I am very hungry very nice good زيافة I want to sleep
Because I
يعني
am
اسكا connect تقرا
because I am very tired.
اسكا بملء تغير كان قراني
I want to sleep.
okay
Because I am very tired.
very good because I am very tired very nice حجناتك sentence نقراني because يركب بمعنى يركب لتا sentence
Okay. I wanted to learn because I have goals.
very good I want to learn because I have goals very good number 2
I wanted to
make it very simple sentence
okay.
yes I wanted to draw
I wanted to go outside.
okay I want to go outside because
I see I need
yes
weather.
I need
I need to
take fresh air
fresh weather.
fresh air
Fresh air.
very good I want to go outside because I want to take
I want to take fresh air.
very good very nice ጽቡቅ ስለዚህ ናይ because ጽቡቅ ሒዝና ያለና obstacle connection ከዓ obstacle ናይ ሽግራት ማለት እዩ ኮኔክት ትገብር ሸቶኻ ፕላስ ሽግሩኻ ሸቶ ንኸይትገብሮ ዝሒዘካ ዘሎ ኦኬ ሰንተንስ ክህበካ ንስኻ ኮኔክት ትገብረን ኦኬ I want to sleep there is noise زين انت connect تقرا but
I wanted to sleep but there is noise.
I want to sleep but there is noise كدقس لها ግን ረበሻ ናይ ድምፂ ረበሻ ኣሎ ድቅስ ኣይክእልኒ ማለት right now
okay
yeah I want to sleep but there is noise very good
there is noise.
okay what about this one I want to eat
I wanted to eat I wanted to eat
because I cannot أجي باتنا ዘለና
I wanted to eat but I don't I don't have money.
تدقمها one more time.
I wanted to eat, but I don't have money.
Nice. I want to eat, but I don't have money. Very good. በልዕ ደለ ግን ገንዘብ የለን. I don't have money. Very nice. Very good. ሳልሰይቲ ሶ ንኮንሲኩዌንስ ኢና ንጥቀመላ ውፅኢት ከም ውፅኢቱ ማለት እያ.
So,
Okay. Like this one ዚያራያ
so
I am very busy ትላላ and I need to prepare now. connect ምስ ገበርናዮ I am very busy so I need to prepare now. ከም ውፅኢቱ ማለት እያ እዚኣ ኸ ሰንተንስ ክበካ ብሶ ኮኔክት ትገብረ.
okay.
I am sick. كاسي كان تنكي كان ببن حمت قال كي ترسى عليها. Okay.
I am sick, so I need to go.
استوعب. هي ترسى إليك. لا كان على تعالوا. I am sick so
I need to go to a doctor.
I need to go to a
doctor.
Very good. حمي مسألة الله ناب دكتور كغير دارلين. Okay. እስከዚህን ኮኔክት ገበረ
I am happy, so I need to meet my friends.
Very good. I am happy so I need to meet my friends. Very good. ስለዚህ ብከምዚ ጌርና ናትና ሓሳባት ኮኔክት ክንገብር ንኽእል ማለት እዩ. ምክንያት ክንገልፅ ከለና ሽግር ክንገልፅ ከለና ወይ ድማ ውፅኢት ናይ ሓደ ነገር ክንገልፅ ከለና ብከምዚ ጌርና ንገልፀን ማለት እዩ. Okay. So ናይ ሎማዓንቲ ክላስና እዚኣ ትመስል. እስኪ ነዚኣ አንብባ. ልክዕ ከምዚኣ ዓይነት ተመሳሳሊት ናትካ ክስታይ ክትሰርሕ ኢኻ ማለት እዩ. Okay. So every time full stop ወይ ኮማ ክትበፅሕ ከለኻ ንእሽተይ ፓውዝ ትገብር ኢኻ.
Okay, عرفت.
እስኪ አንብባ እዚኣ.
Every day I want to start working early because I want to foundation tasks on time, but I don't have administrative access, so I need to call the manager to get started.
Last kan babalahin ka?
Every day I wanted to start to wake up working.
Ay totoo, hara? حنت قالت رياض شور مسكونغا تنبوا تغطلنا تحنتي. So مجاية اللي كان جمر.
Every day I want to start working every day early because I want to finish task on time, but I don't have I don't
I don't have administrative
access, so I need to call the manager to get support.
very good ስለዚህ ኣብዚኣ because ኣላ but ኣላ so ኣላ ራእኻ ኣለዋላ ስለዚ ከምዚኣ ናትካ ሰንተንስ ንእሽተይ ፓራግራፍ ሰሪሕካ ትመፅእ ኢኻ ማለት እዩ ተረጋግና every day ኢልካ because ክጥቀም ኢኻ but ክጥቀም ኢኻ and so ክጥቀም ኢኻ good so ናይ ሎማዓንቲ ክላስና ኣብዚኣ ወዲና ኣለና ብዛዕባ connecting our speech ማለት እዩ ዘረባና connect ክንገብሮ ከለና because so and but ተጠቂምና ኢና ከከም ኣጠቃቅመኦም ማለት እዩ ምክንያት ክገልፅ ኮይና because ድሕር ተፃራሪ ሓሳብ ወይን obstacle ሽግር ክንገልፅ ኮይና but ውፅኢት ክንገልፅ ኮይና ወይን ከም ውፅኢቱ ክንብል ተለይልና ኸ so እንጥቀም ማለት እዩ okay so do you have any question?
I don't have question.
Yes?
No, I don't have question.
Okay. So repeat and study this at home. Then I will ask you tomorrow before we start our class.
Okay.
See you in the next class. Yeah. Have a good day.
Okay. Bye.
Good.